What happened was we were coming down this way, and then that car was flying. By flying, I think they were going by 90 or 100. They hit the railing. Both of these guys flew out the car. This guy here died. There was one in there stuck. I went out there to get the other guy out. So I pulled somebody out. He was kind of intoxicated. I told him to sit down. And then we're trying to get the other guy, but I couldn't move him. But we called the ambulance, so they got here. And then this car here came fast, hit the fire truck, and he was trying to get away. So the cop got him, and then next thing, he's drunk too.
We were sent to the scene of a one-car rollover crash that turned out to be at least one confirmed fatality, and while we were investigating that crash, a Chicago fire truck was hit by a drunk driver. The first crash is a one-car multiple ejection crash. We had 3 people get ejected, 4 people have been transported, or 3 people transported to the hospital, and 1 person has been confirmed killed at this time, and we're waiting the status on the other 2. Right now, our witnesses are saying speed's a definite factor, and we're investigating whether or not alcohol is involved. The fire truck arrived on the scene, was stopped, parked to block traffic, had all its lights activated, and the motorist who's been arrested for drunk driving was exiting at 71st Street and struck the front of the fire truck.
You guys did field sobriety test?
We gave him field sobriety, he failed all field sobriety. He's being taken over to the 5th District where he'll be processed for DUI.